Hello everyone. If you are preparing for your board exam, then this video is specially for you. This video contains 10 years board questions and specimen paper questions with complete solutions for a quick and powerful revision. We will solve important exam-oriented problems step by step so that you understand the logic and avoid common mistakes. So keep your notebook ready, stay focused, and let's start solving.
This is your 2026 specimen paper. Let us solve with this one. This is your x plus 2 is your x plus 2 less than equal to x by 3 plus 3. So x minus x by 3 less than equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 3 less than equal to 1. So x less than equal to 3 by 2. That is x less than equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. प्राइम नंबर क्या है 2, 3, 5 एक्सेट्रा. यार लेस देन इक्वल टू 1.5 में कोई भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, इसलिए 5 होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 2 स्पेशल पेपर 2026. सॉल्व दिस वन. व्हाट विल द आंसर? सी दिस वन. व्हाट इज आंसर? Answer is s greater than equal to minus 9 and less than 7 by 2. Less than 7 by 2 greater than equal to minus 9. This is the solution set and this is the number line. Greater than equal to minus 9. 2 3 ja 6 means 3 and 4. 3.5. This one. This is not included, this is included, minus 9 is included and 3.5 is not included, so this one. So now highlight this one. This is the answer. This is your 2025 paper. Solve this one. This is your 0 less than minus x by 3 and minus x by 3 less than 2. This is your 0 into 3 is 0, 0 less than minus x, so x less than 0. Here minus x less than 6, so x less than minus 6. X greater than minus 6. Symbol will be changed as greater than minus 6. When we multiply minus, symbol will be changed. So this is your s greater than minus 6. The solution set is your s less than 0, that means from minus 1 to less than 0 means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Greater than minus 6 means minus 1 to minus 5. This one. Now this is the question number 4 2025. Question number 4. Solve for the video. Try to do this one. Solve the equation and check your answer. So this is the answer. Number line. This is the number line. You can write like this also. This is your minus 5 and this is 8 and this is 9. This is 8 whole 1 by 3. Bold this one. This minus 5 includes, so bold this one, and this is oval shape. Now highlight this one. This is the answer. This is the 24 to 19 question, 2024 to 2019 question. Let us solve this one. For the video, write your answer. Now, let us see 24 answer. What is 24 answer? This is your 24 answer. Solution set is -2 to 3 and number line is this one. This is your integer, so number line is bold. This is a digit or bold. This is, and this is your 2023 MCQ question. X belongs to W given, so answer is your 0 to 5. See, this is the question 0 to 5. This is 23 question. This is your belongs to R given, so number line is this type or this type. This is the number line and this is the solution. Now 2020 question is your, this is your 2020 question. Solution is this one. This is your solution set and number line. Check your answer. This is the answer of 2018. Now this is your 2017 question. 2017 question is this one. You have to solve this one. The solution is here. This is solution set and this is the number line. Now 2016. Now pause the video, write your answer. X belongs to R given. Do yourself, then check your answer. This is your answer. Solution set is this one. X belongs to R given, so you can write the digit only. Number line. Where is the number line? This is the solution set. This is the 2015. This is the equation given and this is the solution and number line. Now 2014. This is given whole number. This is the solution set and number line. From 2025 to 2014 answers are here with specimen copy.